Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I am using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Hello and welcome. If you were a user of Gemini Pro, you will notice then on the Gemini Pro entry page that you're going to see an advertisement, depending on when you see this video, that you can now use Nano Banana Pro on Gemini 3 Pro. There's a link here to try it, or you can X out of the advertisement. If you go to your tools area, you're going to see that there is a create images area. And if you are in thinking mode, you're going to see down that you're going to be thinking with Gemini 3 Pro. And if you use Gemini 3 Pro, you will then be using the newest version of Google Nano Banana. Images created in Nano Banana take advantage of the ability to access search and to do research in order to create the actual image. So instead of just having a regular image generation tool, Nano Banana Pro actually takes advantage of information tools in search as well as in the AI large language model. In other words, the image creator actually does have its own brain. There is a video course that will walk you through some of the areas in which you will see Nano Banana, including dynamic view, in addition to other platforms. If you'd like to find out more about that course, check out the links you see on your screen.